Hi, I'm Jie. I'm a manga artist. I'm going to tell you how to draw manga eyes. Let's draw. I start with the top eyelid. It is a curvy line with straight edge drawn in 3 steps. This is the sketching stage, so I do not put too much pressure on. I usually use thin mechanical pencil, but I'm using this thick pencil so you can see better. I add the iris and the bottom eyelid. I use quite a bigger, rounder shape for iris to make it cute. Now, I start adding highlights and pupils. First, I outline the big highlight at the bottom of the iris. It makes eyes look dewy and shiny. For the pupils, some use a dot or circle, but I like doing it this way by drawing 2 semicircles. 2 more extra highlights are added. I usually add 2. You can add more if you want to. Generally in manga, while the left and right eyes are almost mirror images of each other, this doesn't apply to the position of the highlights. Now, let's add a double eyelid and some eyelashes. I like adding quite defined lashes like this here. A few tiny ones here and here. Finally, add the eyebrows. The shape and position of the eyebrows greatly impact the facial expression of the character you are drawing. So decide the positionings of these carefully. I'm now going to show an example I drew with a mechanical pencil to show you the process of inking. I start with the important outlines, then ink the details. Take your time and pick up the best lines from your sketch. Then, wait until all the ink is completely dry before you erase the pencil lines. Don't worry if you don't have this kind of feather duster. Gently wipe away using your hands or tissues. If you think there's not enough detail, you can add more before you finish up. Then the Chie style manga eyes is done. That's how you draw manga eyes.